Hey guys, it's Angie from the Freckled Craft Studios and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the ink cartridges on my Epson SC-T3170 printer. I decided to make this video short and sweet, so without further ado, let's get started. First, I want to unbox the maintenance box that goes into this printer. In this video, I will not be replacing this box because I still have some space left in my first one. I purchased the maintenance box on Amazon and it cost me about 50 bucks. Important note, never touch this little chip that's on the side. Do not get your fingerprints on it because it can cause the printer to not read it correctly and it will not register into the system, therefore causing some kind of printing malfunction. The maintenance box collects waste ink generated during cleaning cycles and other maintenance tasks. Over time, the maintenance box fills up and it needs to be replaced. I also purchased the CMYK ink cartridges on Amazon. They were about 50 bucks each. First, we're going to start by turning on our printer. Next, we check our ink levels. As you can see, I still have about half of the black ink cartridge, but I'm going to replace it anyway. I'll just set that aside and use it for another day. The maintenance box I will not be replacing because, as you can see, I have about 20, maybe 15% left. So everything's got to go except for the maintenance box. To get started, we're going to hit Settings. Then we're going to go to Maintenance. And we're going to scroll down and tap on Ink Cartridges Replacement. Then hit Start. Then this prompt will pop up on the screen stating to open the front cover and replace the ink cartridges. And when we're done, we just close the front cover. Once you open the front cover, you'll see that this whole box shifts to the center so that you have access to it. You then push this little tab down and it opens up the cover, giving you access to all 4 ink cartridges. We'll start with the cyan. So back here, we're going to push the tab down and it'll pop up out of its place. Then you pull it out. Next, you open up your brand new ink cartridge. Be careful with touching that little green card. Next, we're going to remove this little yellow tab. Slip it right back into place, push it down, you'll hear a little click, and then do it to the other cartridges. Once they're all in place, close this blue cover, then close the printer cover. Once that happens, the printer is automatically going to start recognizing that the ink cartridges are authentic or compatible, and it'll take about 3 to 4 minutes to run a print head cleaning. Another note, this process does not waste the ink the way it did the first time when I first got the printer, which is a huge plus. Once it's done, we go back to the home and check our supply status, and we're all set. In my next video, I'll be doing a test print, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.